Is it clear? Okay, so let's proceed to the next one. Okay, for example, basic workplace email. This is a basic workplace email. Now, you're going to number this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7, right? Now, you're going to number it in order. Which should go first? Is it thank you for your time? I look forward to your response. Okay, for example, okay, so I'll use this item as an example. Okay, so which is number 1? Meeting confirmation, very good. That's number 1. Okay? How about number 2? Again. Okay, dear Mr. Lopez, very good. That's number 2. How about number 3? We have the subject line. We have the salutation already. What's next to salutation? Opening sentence. So what is your opening sentence here? Okay, very good. I hope this message finds you well. That's number 3. How about number 4? This is just an example, okay? Later I'm going to ask you. Okay, number 4. What's number 4? Next to opening sentence. Next to opening sentence is body paragraph. So what is your body paragraph here? Could you please confirm if the meeting is still scheduled for Friday at 10 a.m.? Very good. Number 5. What's number 5? Okay, very good. Thank you for your time. I look forward to your response. Number 6. What's number 6? Again? Best regards. And number 7 is the name, Anna Rivera. Okay, did you get it? Okay, so